In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively insert a video into a Google form, an invaluable tool that can enhance your surveys or quizzes by providing respondents with multimedia elements. Let's get started with this simple but powerful process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that now to access your forms or create a new one. Once you're in, choose to start a new form or open an existing one that you'd like to edit. On the main interface of Google Forms, you'll notice a variety of tools and options on the right side. This is where the magic happens. Look for the square icon with a plus sign labeled Add and click on it to create a new question section in your form. Next up, to actually insert a video, you'll want to click on the icon that looks like a play button, which represents the video insertion tool. This will open a new window where you can select your video. You'll have two primary choices. The first is using a YouTube URL if your video is online, and the second is searching directly on YouTube within this window. If you choose to paste a URL, simply copy the web address of the YouTube video and paste it in the provided field. This method is particularly useful if you've got a specific video in mind. Otherwise, if you're still exploring options, just use the search tab to look for videos uploaded on YouTube. After you've entered or selected your video, you'll see a list of potentials that match your URL or search query. Simply click on the video you want to add. This highlights it, and then click the blue Select button at the lower right of the window. The video you've chosen will now appear in your form. You have the opportunity to provide a title and a description for this video if needed. This can be helpful if you want to prepare your respondents on what to expect or guide them on why it's important in the context of your survey. Before you wrap things up, take a moment to review how the video looks within the form. You can even try the Preview button at the top of the Google Form interface to see how everything will appear to your audience. If at any point you need to change anything, just click on the video again to edit as needed. And that's it. You have now successfully added a video to your Google Form. This opens up new possibilities for engaging more effectively with your audience, whether you're looking to educate, gather feedback, or analyze responses more creatively. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.